Welcome to our today's lesson. My name is Teacher Dennis. Today we want to talk about grade 4 mathematics. So allow me to take you through double digit multiplication. So first example is going to be 25 times 10. So you're going to multiply 25 times 10. You're going to multiply 0 times 5, then 0 times 2. So 0 times 5 is equals to 0. 0 times 2 is also 0. Then we move on to 1. 1 times 5 is equals to 5. So we write 5. Then we move on to 1 times 2. We get 2. So we are going the next step to add 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. Then 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. So the product becomes 250. Then the factors are 25 and 10. So we can double check our work by having the second way of multiplying, which means we are going to interchange the factors. So in this case, instead of starting with 25 times 10, we are going to start with 10 times 25. So we are going to arrange 10 times 25. So we are going to use the same way we multiplied. 5 times 0 is 0. Then 5 times 1 is 5. We move on to 2. Then we get that 2 multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. Then 2 multiplied by 1, the answer becomes 2. So we shall add 50 plus 200 by saying 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Then 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. Then 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. So you find that the products are still the same. In the first case, the product was 250. Here also it is 250. Let's try another problem together. So let's try 25 multiplied by 55, and then once we get our answer, we shall double check. So 5 times 5 is equals to 25. So we shall write 5, then we carry 2. So the 2 we carried, we put up, then we go ahead and multiply 5 times 2. So 5 times 2, the answer we get, we shall add to 2 we carried. So 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So down here we write 12 and get 125. We move on to the second 5. We shall multiply 5 times 5 again. Then the answer we get will be 25. As we all know, when we get 25, we carry 2. So the 2 we carry is up there. Then we move on and multiply 5 multiplied by 2. The answer we get, we shall add to the 2 we carried. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 plus 2, 12. So we come and write down here 12. So after that, we are going to add 5 plus 0. We get 5. 2 plus 5, we get 7. 1 plus 2, we get 3. And 1 plus 0, we get 1. So our answer becomes 1,375. So again, we can double check this by interchanging the factors. So the factors were 25 and 55, and our product is 1,375. So we can double check by interchanging the factors. So let's start by 55 multiplied by 25. So we have just interchanged the factors to have 55 up and 25 down. So we can start by multiplying 5 times 5. The answer becomes 25. Carry 2. We move on to 5 times 5. The answer is 25. Then we add to the 2 we carried and we get the answer as 27. So we get 275. We move on to 2. 2 multiplied by 5, the answer is 10. So we write 0, carry 1. Then we move on to multiplying 2 multiplied by 5. Then the answer we get, we shall add plus 1. So 2 times 5 is 10, then added to 1 is equals to 11. So we are going to add 275 plus 1100. So when we add, we shall start with 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0, the answer we get is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. So you realize that the products are the same in the two ways, or even if we interchange the products. So our answer becomes 1375.